Hello students, so in this video we are going to discuss about what is electric dipole, what is dipole moment and how to calculate the electric field for a dipole, right? See, electric dipole is basically system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance here, right? Di means two, dipole, electric dipole, it means system of two equal and opposite charges separated by some finite distance. This arrangement is known as electric dipole. That means if this is minus 5 microcoulomb plus 5 microcoulomb separated by any finite distance, this is known as dipole. System of two equal, right? These are equal in magnitudes but opposite in sign polarity, separated by some finite distance. Let the finite distance be d. This is known as a dipole, right? It can be minus 10 plus 10, clear? Minus 15 plus 15, but the charges should be equal and opposite, equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. So basically, according to the definition of electric dipole, a dipole is defined as minus q charge plus q charge, right? Two charges of same magnitude, opposite direction, opposite polarity, separated by any finite distance. Let us take the finite distance as 2a. It can be d, it can be x, any finite distance, clear? We are taking 2a because let this be the center of the dipole, okay? Let this distance be a, this distance will also be a. So total finite distance is say 2a, clear? So this arrangement is known as electric dipole. It is not compulsory that the finite distance should be always in the form of 2a, 2d, 2x, no, right? See, here we have taken the distance between two charges as d, so d will be equals to 2a. Clear? We are taking 2a here because this is the center of the dipole and we are taking this distance as a, this as a, so total will be 2a. Fine? Okay, so what is the total charge on the dipole? This can be asked as MCQ, right? So total charge on dipole is 0. Definitely, charge is a scalar quantity. One is positive, other is negative. So the addition of two charges will be 0. So total charge on the dipole is 0. Yes, even though charge is 0, electric field will be non-zero. Like suppose due to this dipole, I want to calculate electric field over here at a point P, right? So for a positive charge, electric field will be radially away from the point, and for a negative charge, electric field will be towards itself. But since positive charge is placed closer to the point P, so net electric field will be in this direction. Clear? These are the things we are going to discuss in today's lecture. It means even though total charge on the dipole is 0, net electric field on the dipole will not be 0. Clear? Because electric field is a vector quantity and electric field for a point charge depends on the distance also, right? See, this point P is close to charge plus q and it is at a distance from minus q charge, right? So the distances are same, magnitude of electric field will be different. So electric field will not be 0. Clear? Okay, now this will be asked as MCQ, this can be asked as MCQ, what is the total charge on the dipole? So total charge on the dipole will be 0. Fine, we'll define one vector quantity which is known as dipole moment. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. It is equals to magnitude wise any one of the charge into the distance between two charges. Magnitude wise any one of the charge into distance between two charges. This is defined as dipole moment. It is a vector quantity and it is to determine the strength of the dipole. We are defining this dipole moment to determine the strength of electric dipole. Clear? So it is equals to magnitude wise any one of the charge, because magnitude wise both the charges are same. Clear? So magnitude wise any one of the charge into the distance between two charges. This is known as dipole moment, and dipole moment is directed from, it's a vector quantity, it is directed from negative to positive. Negative to positive. So direction of dipole moment will be from minus to plus. Clear? What is the unit of dipole moment? So what is the unit of charge? Coulomb. What is the unit of distance? Meter. So it is coulomb meter. So dipole moment is in coulomb meter, and the direction of electric dipole moment will be from negative to positive. Dipole moment is to determine the strength of the dipole. Clear? Okay, and it is a vector quantity. Now see, if basically there are two types of dipole, one is physical dipole and another is point dipole or ideal dipole. See, there is one condition, if Q tends to infinite, that means if charge of the dipole is made very large and distance between them is tends to 0, then this type of dipole is known as short dipole. You can say point dipole, you can also say ideal dipole. These are the other names of dipoles. Clear? That is, if Q tends to infinite and 2A tends to 0, this arrangement is known as short dipole, point dipole or ideal dipole. If Q is not very large and 2A is not very less, then the types of dipoles are known as physical dipole. Clear? And otherwise these are known as short dipole. So overall this was a brief introduction of electric dipole. Dipole is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by some finite distance, right? A dipole, total charge on the dipole is 0, as charge is a scalar quantity. We'll define dipole moment, which is to determine the strength of electric dipole. This is equals to magnitude of any one of the charge into the distance between two charges. And dipole moment is a vector quantity whose direction is from negative to positive. Clear? What if Q tends to infinite and 2A tends to 0? Then such a dipole is known as point dipole, ideal dipole, or you can say short dipole. Clear? Clear? Okay. So now in the next video we'll discuss about how to calculate the electric field because of the dipole, because we have seen over here that electric field is non-zero. Right, so what is the value of electric field along the axis of the dipole, along the equator of the dipole, and how to calculate the value of this, and we'll also solve the questions based on electric dipole. Thank you.